Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A real simple one today. We're going to kick off a series of videos under GreenShift, or using GreenShift. So we're going to start off with how to add GreenShift blocks to your page, or modify it to use GreenShift blocks. Okay, so we're on our About Us page. Okay, we have some text and images and so on, and we know that these probably aren't going to be GreenShift or either stackable or just the default blocks on WordPress. Let's go on our top toolbar over here and click on Edit Page. And that takes us to the block editor. And you can see Edit Page, About Us, Website Assets. Okay, and then we're over here and we have all of this. Okay, if we click on one of these blocks, we can see that it is definitely stackable, as it has the rainbow icons over here, rainbow images. Excuse me, and you can see that even the columns are stackable. Now we can replace these with stackable ones. So we can click on this and transform to container or wrapper, and you can see when it's blue, that's how you know it's GreenShift. Okay, and from here, we can configure it using the sidebar here and spacer. Let's change this to container or wrapper. Okay. And okay, so we have converted it into a GreenShift block. But how do we actually add one? So we have our whole page here, and this is our block editor, and we can just drag and drop as we please. Now, if we wanted to add GreenShift in particular, we click on the block inserter, this plus icon over here, and you can either search GreenShift, right? And all of these come out, and they're typically blue icons. And if you have another element pack, block pack that uses these, you might get a bit confused. So something that might be a bit more clear to help you figure out which ones actually are GreenShift is if you scroll down over here, and you can see we have GreenShift elements. Now I want to add an accordion. Okay, let's see, About Us. We want to put some FAQs. Let's just drag and drop that over here. And we have our GreenShift block. And it's as simple as that. We have a right sidebar here for all of our options here. So let's go ahead and edit this real simple. Is it worth it to use GreenShift? And then our text over here is going to be well, we can just add text here, but we can make it a bit more fancy. Let's put an advanced heading here. Let's just drag and drop that over here, right? And then we can use heading 1. It's going to be big. Yes. And we can center that. You know, all typical rules with the WordPress block editor. We have all of our options here. We can change the bold, italics. Okay, there. All right, looks good. And then we can also click on advanced here and add an animation. And don't worry if I'm moving a bit too fast here. This is just showing you like how much we can actually do with GreenShift for free. So there we've basically inserted 2 blocks from GreenShift, and we've modified them both, and we've done it to one of our stock pages. So let's go ahead and click on Save and wait for that to update. Okay, with that updated, let's reload our site, About Us, and you can see we have our GreenShift blocks here. Yes. Okay, so hopefully that was a little primer for you to see what goes on behind all of this. Yeah, what goes on behind all of these. and what you can do to customize it. So hopefully you stick with us and you'll see what else we can do with GreenShift. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.